Puma continues to expand LaMelo Ball's influence with the LaFrance RNR Trail Ice Coffee, a lifestyle sneaker that leans into bold trail-inspired design. The silhouette moves away from luxury skate cues and embraces a rugged, maximal look built for everyday wear. Earth-tone colors define the pair, featuring a caramel-like upper with chocolate brown details running through the center. Subtle texture and layered panels add depth while keeping the palette calm and wearable. LaMelo branding appears throughout the shoe, reinforcing its identity. The LaFrance name runs along the lace area, his cross logo sits at the forefoot, and the packaging highlights the LF imprint. These details connect performance roots with off-court style, appealing to a younger audience that values both fashion and personality. The Puma LaFrance RNR Trail Ice Coffee is scheduled to release on February 1 through Puma Online. The retail price is set at $125. Availability may vary by region globally.